Hey, hopefully this works. I thought it might be easier to send a video. So I'm assuming that you're talking about this bottom section, question 4. So right here, notice that you have 6 different problems. Those 6 problems are going to correspond to these 6 questions. So question 1 is only for A. So which one of these sides is greater? Is the left side greater? Is the right side greater? Or are they equal? So right down here, it says left is greater than the right. So if this left side is greater, then you would put A here for that answer. If the right side is greater, that's D. So if this right side is greater than this left-hand side, you're going to put D here for your answer. If they're both equal, so if you get them down and there's one left over here and one left over here and they're both equal to each other, then you'll pick B. And then if they don't give you enough information, so like if you have an X left on this side and a Y left on this side, you don't know if X and Y are equal or if one's bigger than the other, then that would be not enough information. So that's when you would put C here. And then you would go down and do B. So then you would look at B and you would say, okay, is left or right? Are they equal or is there not enough information? Hopefully that helps. If not, let me know.